turning now to the Cabancalan Road. This is still Talamban Road. This is the left side is Cabancalan Road. You can see the tower of Napocor, National Power Corporation. In your right side, there's the new Cabancalan Market that I have to feature in later videos. This is the Napocor entrance. In your right side, the old Cabancalan Market, which I have a video of, the fish market of Cabancalan. That's the Roscoe multicab, my first multicab videos. On your left side are the eateries where most of the drivers and locals eat tinola fish until 1 o'clock noon, because they only operate from 4 o'clock to 1 o'clock in lunchtime. As we go further, on the left side there's the Visayan Electric Company power plant for Mandaue City, and next to it is the North Town Home subdivision. As we go further, there's on your left side, that's the Lawalde and the Victoria building, the pink one there on your right side. This is the Lawalde clothes factory, bags, clothes and accessories. You can see that Cabancalan Road got 4 lanes on both, 2 on each side, but most of the traffic is only using the middle lane because a lot of people are parking on the side, or some are even selling something on the side. That's Sendai Motors on your left side. There are loads of eatery, and then JRA Surplus on your left side. Their main office on the right, and this is their display center on the left side. This PP Remedio Furnitures, water refilling station, which is quite a lot on this area. There's the queue of tricycles, because tricycles are only allowed in Mandaue City and Talisay City, but not on Cebu City. There's a delivery of motorcycle. That's the Cabancalan Barangay Hall on your right side, and that's the diversion road that will take you straight to Manila. We go further. There's people rushing to cross. Another water refilling station, pharmacy. And this Indian tricycle beside us, we just have to overpass. This Indian type of tricycle is now becoming popular here. There's the Intenso Yamaha motorbike, which I featured in my video because it is located here. And on your left side, that's Ison Surplus. My second multi-cab video was filmed here. And in your right side, that's the H. Cortez Road that will take you straight on to Ayala Road and Subangdaco Road. That's the Cabancalan Elementary School. Beside is 7-Eleven. That's another very popular 11. They close at 12 o'clock actually. Convenience store around here now. Even most provinces have 7-Eleven. And there's the other market for this area. Up far you can see the Jollibee, the most popular fast food in the Philippines. This Jollibee here is the 997 branch of Jollibee. There's Gaisano Capital on the left side again. As you can see, Mandaue. In Mandaue, there's loads of little enterprises, little shops that specializes in little bits of everything, like vulcanizing, just pools, just multi-caps, just aluminums. Then up further, the Sean Agro Development Incorporated office up there on the left side. The GAC Motors display of Cebu. The GAC is another China car which I will feature in future videos. And on your left side is where the Alba premium used cars, which I videoed in my used car video. So it's almost 12 noon now, so it's not so quite congested yet, the traffic, so it's flowing because most of the drivers are having their lunch. There's the roast chickens. There's two in this area, Chokes to Go and Liempo, Balamban Liempo. That's the Shell station. And on your left side is the Holy Family Parish Church. Stop for the zebra crossing. Let's block this multi-cab so you can go. Good. And we go on the right side. Because we're turning to the main Mandaue City Highway. Right side you can see Nissan Mandaue branch showroom. This is where I filmed the Nissan video. Beside it are little shops and also houses of the people, and next will be the Petron gasoline station. Some backhoe or excavator for sale, but we actually call it backhoe. In your right side you can see people tinkering about. That's where you got your bushings made. Instead of buying a new one, we usually just go to those shops and have your like engine mounts, any bushings made, because they can carve it out, made of use tire, the big trucks when they chuck their tires away. Those people just utilize it and make it into engine mounts, bushings for vehicles or any other uses. The Save More Supermarket, Cabancalan. So the lights stop. In Mandaue, the traffic lights got numbers, so you know how many more minutes or seconds that you have before it goes green. You can see the water vendors on the streets. There with peanuts, and this one is trying to block me first, but I got no choice but to let him in because of his awkward motorbike tricycle on my front. Now it's green. 111, 110, 109, still nothing is moving. It's already 99, still nothing moving here on my side. Now it starts to. I'm gonna turn right to the main highway of Mandaue City. Seems like I'll be following this truck. So we're entering now here on the main highway of Mandaue City. Right side there's St. Paul's College, and next to that is Metro Park Hotel. It's awkward. Mitsubishi. And next to the Metro Park Hotel it's Bird's Condotel. They are like the economical hotels that you can book overnight, or even look, it's 800 pesos, starts from 800 pesos per night to 4,000 pesos per night for a 4-room with furnishing for 8 people. The 800 goes with 2 people minimum. So the rates is 800, 2,400, 2,005, and 4,000 is their max. It's a very hot day today. Traffic is moving so slow, but at least it's not stagnant. Because during rush hour the traffics are really, really bad. You can stay put like for an hour, not moving at all. See, it's moving a little bit.